Hi friends, I'm Alina Voyage, the girl who lives for hotel reviews, honest opinions, and zero sugarcoating.
Today, I'm diving into the real drawbacks of Long Beach Resort 5-star in Alanya, Türker Village. This huge family complex often tops the recommendation lists thanks to its territory, kids areas, and food. But recent reviews and my observations show there are quite a few downsides. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss the unfiltered truth. Let's start with the rooms. Many stories repeat the same points. The basic set of hygiene items is often missing. No toothbrushes, no toothpaste, no combs, and bathrobes are rare too. The minibar is poorly restocked. On arrival, they may put liter bottles of cola or Fanta and mineral water, and after that, mostly only water. Some guests write that they even had to carry water from the lobby. In some rooms, the air conditioner works only on cooling. The heating mode is unavailable. Housekeeping can be superficial. Dust under the beds, a not thoroughly cleaned bathroom, towels not always changed on time. Rooms in the older buildings already look tired, although the newer ones, especially the villas, are much better. If you take a sea view room, be prepared for road noise. Separately worth mentioning is the noise. The road that splits the complex in two is one of the most frequent complaints. Inside the room itself, it's not always very loud, but on the territory, near the pools, and while walking around, the noise is noticeable. In the evening, loud animation and music are added, sometimes playing until 2 to 3 a.m. Many people recommend choosing rooms with an inner view or in quieter buildings if you're sensitive to outside sounds. Next, about the paid extras. Even with the declared ultra all-inclusive, the territory is full of paid points. Kids' cars, cotton candy, popcorn, spiral potatoes, zip line, rope parks, everything costs extra. Prices are European, and children see these temptations at every step. Many families write that the feeling of all-inclusive quickly fades because the hotel actively earns on additional services. Free attractions and ice cream on schedule exist, but the constant presence of paid spots creates extra pressure on parents. As for drinks and bars, the situation is also mixed. Most drinks are poured from dispensers, bottled juices are almost non-existent, the quality of cocktails and soft drinks is rated as average by many. Imported alcohol is limited. In the main restaurant, there are packaged juices, but in the bars, the choice is more modest. Some guests directly say that fresh juice or a proper cocktail has to be bought separately. Service in the restaurants is a separate topic. There is plenty of food and enough snack bars, but waiters rarely approach on their own. To order a drink, you often have to catch the staff or go to the bar yourself. With small children, this is especially inconvenient. In peak season, queues can be long. Tables are not always cleared quickly. Some reviews mention indifference or even rudeness from certain employees. Food for some is varied and tasty. For others, repetitive and of average quality. The most complaints are about the elevators. The complex is enormous. Restaurants and the exit to the sea are on the lower levels. There are several elevators, but they are often full. One may not work, buttons sometimes glitch. With a stroller, you may wait 10 to 20 minutes, and getting into a packed elevator is almost impossible. Many families simply take the stairs. In high season, this problem becomes even sharper. I can't help mentioning the towels and overall organization. Exchange near the sea or pool is sometimes restricted. They may refuse and send you to the spa area. Because of the huge distances, you have to walk a lot. In peak season, the hotel feels overcrowded and gives the impression of a conveyor of guests rather than an individual approach. Internet is available everywhere, but when the hotel is fully occupied, the speed drops. From the personal experience of many families I can add, the hotel has strong sides. The territory, kids zones, animation. But if you value quiet, fast service, convenient elevators, and a minimum of extra charges, these points can significantly affect the impression. Before booking, be sure to check the latest reviews, specifically for your travel period. Clarify the building and floor, and realistically assess expectations from a 5-star in such a large-scale complex. Write in the comments if you've already been. What drawbacks did you notice yourselves?